Hello everybody. Today we will discuss a topic in mathematics. Give one example each to the following statements. First one is a number which is rational but not integer. So here we should give an example of a number which is rational but not integer. We know what are integers. What are integers? 0, -1, -2, -3, so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So, apart from this, what are the other numbers which are there between this? That is 5 by 2, 7 by 9 or -1 by 7. Anything which is in the form of a fraction is an example for this question. A number which is a rational number but not integers, because integers will not be in the form of fractions. So these are the examples which we can give. Here he asked only one example, but in this way we can write any number of examples. Second bit, a whole number which is not a natural number. So we know what are whole numbers. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so on. These are whole numbers. But here we have to write a whole number which is not a natural number. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, so on are natural numbers. So exclude it. So we have only one digit here. That is, the answer for this one is 0. 0 is the number, whole number, which is not a natural number, but it is a whole number. Similarly, third bit, an integer which is not a whole number. So here we have to write an integer which is not a whole number. What are integers? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. This side -1, -2, so on. These are integers. So what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. So we should write an integer which is not a whole number. Remove all the integers from this. Okay, so we get the set of integers which are not whole numbers. That is -1, -2, so on. So you can write any one example, -5 or -7, etc. So all these are examples of an integer which is not a whole number. Now next, fourth bit, a number which is natural number, whole number, integer and rational number. You have to write an example which is a natural number, whole number, integer and also a rational number. So if you write the set of natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So these numbers are whole numbers also. These numbers are integers also. These numbers are rational numbers also, because you can express these numbers in the form of p by q. If I have 3 here, I can write it as 3 by 1, which is in the form of p by q. And q will be 1 here. It is not equal to 0. So the answer for this one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here he is asking only one example, but I am giving more than one example. You can write any one of these examples. Next, fifth bit, a number which is an integer but not a natural number. So we should give an example of a number which is an integer but not a natural number. So first let us write the set of integers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, -1, -2, -3, so on. So these are the set of integers. Now we want a number which is an integer but not a natural number. Remove all the natural numbers. These are the natural numbers. So remove them. So we are left out with these numbers. So in this we can write any one number. So we get a number which is not an integer, which is an integer but not a natural number. So you can write -3 or -7 or 0, etc. So you can choose any one example and write it. Thank you. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.